Everyone loves easy methods to make money, and what could be more easier than getting paid to read emails? But the issue is most of these opportunities are too good to be true. Don't get me wrong, there are legitimate ways to earn money by reading emails. But unfortunately, the majority of get paid to read email websites are just scams. That's why after taking the time to investigate them all individually, I found 3 get paid to read email websites that actually pay you money. Let's be clear right away, you are not going to become a millionaire by doing this. But reading emails for money is an excellent way to make some extra bucks during your free time. So if you are interested to know the websites that actually pay to read emails, then hit the like button and let's jump right into our video. But before we get started, comment the name of your country down below so that I will be able to come up with more geo-targeted videos which work specifically for you. At number 3, we have paid to read email. It does exactly what it says. You get paid to read emails. The business offers cash and points and prizes, and you can exchange your money for points and use those points to purchase further paid emails. Additionally, you can purchase retailer gift cards with your points. Through PayPal, you can ask for a payout of your remaining funds. $15 is the minimum payout amount, and please take note that your initial reimbursement will arrive later than subsequent payouts. This lengthier first payment delay is there to help validate your PayPal account. Other ways to get money on this website include participating in surveys or recommending friends. This website also offers you a small welcome bonus of $3 for joining their website. So if you want to get $3 for free, then you should check out this website. Number 2. ClicksGenie. This website pays up to 42 cents per email for your visit, and most of them include a timestamp of 30 seconds. You must wait till the timer hits 30 seconds before it asks you to verify by touching a bold, tree, post, or clip. On average, one email takes about 40 to 45 seconds to read, so for 990 emails, 42 cents becomes $41. Simple math shows that 990 emails at 30 seconds each equal 495 minutes or 8.25 hours of earnings daily. This website also has a referral program to boost your earnings even more. You can withdraw your payouts through Payeer in case you don't have a PayPal account. And number 1, Volutic. Another website that helps you earn just by reading emails is Volutic. You get paid by Volutic to read emails on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Open the email from Volutic, read it, click the advertisement, stay for the allotted period, and you'll be paid. This website has more daily emails than ClicksGenie and is probably more user-friendly. Viewing the emails for about 30 seconds has a timestamp similar to ClicksGenie. Volutic pays 0.01 cents on average and 1 cent for specific emails. You can also earn up to $1 per referral. It has more than 9,000 members who are constantly making money from this website. The minimum withdrawal amount on this website is only 10 cents, and withdrawals can be done through Payeer. Although it may not be the most lucrative option to make money online, getting paid to read emails takes a few seconds to complete. So register for an account, adhere to the supplied guidance, and smile all the way to the bank. But never register for these programs using your primary email address. Keep in mind that some websites have expiration dates for their points, so cash out as soon as you fulfill the minimum requirement. Never pay anything to read emails for money, and I can guarantee you will be alright if you stick to the websites I mentioned. And if you want to learn more about how to make money by listening to music and watching videos, then you should also check out these videos.